Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money in Namibia. So if you're actually living in Namibia and South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, any part of the world, and you're looking to make money, then this video is for you. All right. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube, out on other few other platforms you can actually make money on. All right. So on YouTube, if you want to make money on YouTube, as you're watching this particular channel, we make money on this particular channel, right? So the best way for you to make money on YouTube is to create videos, and to get started is very easy. You can actually log in into your normal Google account. So once you log in into your Google account, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and create content and set up your and set up your channel. All right. And yeah, I'm going to put a link in the description below if you're in Namibia that will help you create a YouTube channel. All right, it will help you create a YouTube channel. All right. But with that said, let's continue with the video. But if you want to learn more on concerning how to make money on YouTube, I can actually make a well-detailed video. But first of all, you need to go to the comment section and comment that you want to learn it, and I'm going to do that. All right. So the next platform I'm going to, or let me say the first platform, or let me say the second platform I'm going to show you is Survey.io. This platform is really amazing, and trust me, you can make tons of money on this platform. As you can see, earn up to €7 per survey. And yeah, this platform is really amazing. You can really earn such amount of money on this platform. And as you can see right here, you can see it's available in so many countries. All you have to do is to register surveyeo.com. I'm going to paste the link in the description below, so you can go ahead and copy that. All right, so you click on free registration, then you're going to register. You register, you select any amount, you select the amount you want to earn each day, then it's going to generate, it's going to bring the form you need to fill. And that's all. Select your country as Namibia right here. I'll just go down to Namibia, select Namibia right here, and that's it. And you'll be able to register on the platform. So let me go ahead and log in into my account real quick so you can see what it actually looks like. Okay, this is what my account actually looks like. All right, so if you scroll down, you notice I have this amount of money on my account. I have about 144 naira. All right, so depending on your country's currency is going to show here. And one thing you also need to note is different countries with different amount of survey they are going to have available. All right, so as you can see right here in Nigeria, I currently have about one survey. I haven't done any survey today, right? So I have about one survey to take today. And on Survey.io, you can also make money by inviting your friends. If you invite your friends, come into the membership section, then copy the link and share with your friends. You can also make money from this particular section. And to withdraw is very easy. You come to the money withdrawal and you'll be able to withdraw. All right, with that said. All right, so the next platform you can actually make money on is Surveybox. Surveybox is similar to Survey.io. On Swagbox, you can do so many things. All right, you can perform so many things on Surveybox. Let me log in Surveybox. So Surveybox is similar. Swagbox is similar to Survey.io. You have to perform certain transactions like surveys and so many other more. They call it tax. All right, so if you can complete those tasks, you can get gift cards and also withdraw them directly into your PayPal account. I have a video concerning how to create a PayPal account in Namibia. I'm going to tag the link somewhere, and also put the link in the description so you can go and watch that particular video. You want to create a verified PayPal account in Namibia, right? And the last platform is Warrior Plus. All right, I'm actually not going in depth into all those platforms. I'm just trying to show you ways you can actually make money. I'm trying as much as possible to explain so many things, all right, in the video. And Warrior Plus is an amazing platform. It involves you. Let me say it's more of like affiliate marketing, all right? Affiliate marketing, you promote people's products and you make money from it. So once you click on the sign up, you're going to sign up. It's existing for so many years and people are still making money in it. All right. So if I click on login, we have Warrior Plus, we have ClickBank, but when it comes to Warrior Plus, it's very easy for you to, make use of Warrior Plus. All right. So very, very easy to make money on Warrior Plus. All right, and it involves you getting your affiliate link for a particular product. And when you get your affiliate link for a particular product, what you want to do is to go ahead and make use of that product. You can actually use our affiliate link, send it to your friends to go ahead and buy the product, and when they purchase the particular product from using your link, you're going to earn a commission. All right, you're going to earn a commission. So that's how Warrior Plus works. I'm trying to log in into my account. Let me log in into my account real quick so I can show you how it looks like. I don't know what's going on. Okay, since I need to restart my link. Okay, I'm going to do this later. I can't do this right now. I'll do it later. All right. So yeah, so that I think I've mentioned about 4 different ways you can actually make money. And yes, if you also want to learn how to make money with a blog, I can also show you how to do that, and also how to make money with ads with your mobile app, whereby you can put your mobile app on Google Play Store and make money. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. And if you're in Namibia and you want to learn something like that, go to the comment section and tell me which one you want to learn in detail, and I'm going to try my best to create a video on that. It's absolutely free. I'm not charging you on it. All right, and all you just have to do is to smash that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on post notification. And that's it, guys. I've mentioned 4 different ways you can actually make money. Make money from Warrior Plus through affiliate marketing, copying a referral link and sharing it with your friends, or putting it on blog content, posting it on Facebook and so many other platforms. Swagbox, you have to take surveys and perform tags, and Survey EO, you have to go ahead and perform them complete surveys. And when you complete surveys, you get money. YouTube, you can upload content on YouTube, just as this content you're actually seeing right here on YouTube. People make money on it, just as this particular video you're watching right now. When ads is shown on this video, I make money from it. So that's it, guys, on how to go ahead and make money on Warrior. Also, how to make money in Namibia. If you actually enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. And like I said, PayPal, I'm going to drop the link to PayPal account in the comment section and description, so you can go ahead and create your PayPal account, which will help you in receiving your money into your account. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in another video.